Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: censure, C-E-N-S-U-R-E, botch, B-O-T-C-H, abolish, A-B-O-L-I-S-H, liaison, L-I-A-I-S-O-N, L-I-A-I-S-O-N, censure, criticism, express severe disapproval of someone or something, especially in a formal statement especially in a formal statement. So formally expressing disapproval, that is what we call it as censure. Formal expression of disapproval is what we call it as censure. Synonyms: condemnation, abuse, blame, admonition, castigation, reprimand, rebuke, reproach, denunciation. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: approval, honor, acclamation, citation, tribute, commendation, praise, endorsement, blessing. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Suraj's dishonest behavior came under severe censure. Suraj's dishonest behavior came under severe censure. The company was heavily censured from the officials of Department of Trade. The company was severely censured from the officials of Department of Trade. One more example also can be given: botch, botch. Both are right pronunciations only. One is American, another one is English, Britain. So botch, mess. So meaning is to spoil something by doing badly. To spoil something by doing it badly. That is what we call it as a botch. Synonyms: fiasco, debacle, mishandle, mess, screw up, blunder, failure, misjudge, mismanage, butcher, miscalculate, make a mess of. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: success, do well, ameliorate. Hope you remember, to improve. Ameliorate, remedy, refine, repair, patch, build, grow, accomplish. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the company made a series of botches, series of botches, that means series of mistakes, blunders before it went bankrupt. The company made a series of botches before it went bankrupt. Abolish, cancel, formally put an end to a system, a practice, rule, custom, institution. That is what we call it as abolish. Many are there, so if you can go through that one, right? Rescind we have seen, annul we have seen, abolish. A slight variations are there, but almost similar only. Even you can refer dictionary. So very difficult to identify the differences between those and all. So almost all are similar. Synonyms: nullify, repeal, annul, rescind, revoke, set aside, destroy, annihilate, do away with, abrogate, overturn. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: sanction, validate, allow, approve, permit, set up, revive. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the government is planning to abolish subsidies to farmers. The government is planning to abolish subsidies to farmers. Liaison, L-I-A-I-S-O-N, cooperation. Many meanings are there. So liaison, communication between people or groups who work with each other. That is what we call it as liaison. Cooperation, communication. Synonyms: contact, association, intermediary. So what is that one? One who acts an agent between two parties is we call it as liaison. One who acts as an agent between two parties is also called a liaison. So that is the reason. Intermediary. So that is also one of the synonyms. And one more meaning is also there: an illicit sexual relationship between two people, normally who are unmarried. That is also what we call it as liaison. And synonyms, of course, contact, association, intermediary, communication, hookup, go between, affair, affinity, connection. All these words can be related to liaison. Antonyms, disassociation, split, breakup, separation, division, disunion, disunion. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the finance minister blamed the lack of liaison between the various government departments. The finance minister blamed the lack of liaison between the various government departments. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.